എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടായിരുന്നു മക്കളെ ടൂറ്? ഓക്കെ. കോടമഞ്ഞിനോടൊപ്പം ഒരു ചെറിയ ചാറ്റൽ മഴയും കൂടെ ആയപ്പോൾ ഈ ബോട്ട് റൈഡിനൊക്കെ വല്ലാത്തൊരു അനുഭൂതി തോന്നുന്നു. ഈസ് എവറിത്തിങ് റെഡി അനു? ഹാവ് യു കംപ്ലീറ്റഡ് യുവർ പാക്കിംഗ്? മിന്നു, ഷാൽ വി ഗോ? You are ready? Okay, all are ready. Hi friends, I am Muneer Mannarkkad. Welcome to Class on Touch Learn English from Nature. Today, me and two of my friends, Mr. Salim and Riaz, are here with our family. We are actually on a short trip to Kodaikanal. It has been a long time since our children are staying at home and they feel the great tedium of the lockdown days, and I believe that it will be a great relaxation. So we will see a lot of things and sights at Kodaikanal in our vlog. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ കൊടൈക്കനാലാണുള്ളത്. ഞാനും എൻ്റെ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളായ സലീം മാഷും റിയാസ് മാഷും ഒക്കെ കുടുംബവുമായിട്ട് ഇവിടെ വന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഞങ്ങൾ ഇന്നലെ വന്ന് ഇവിടെ റൂമിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ സ്റ്റേ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. നമുക്ക് എൻ്റെ കൂടെയുള്ള എൻ്റെ ഫാമിലി ഒന്ന് പരിചയപ്പെടാം. ദിസ് ഈസ് മൈ ഡോട്ടർ മിന്നു. മിന്നു, ജസ്റ്റ് സേ ഹായ്. And this is Rizwana. She is also a teacher and working in the same school. And this is my elder son, Hanin. Actually, he is also having a YouTube channel and he's planning to take a vlog there. Have you started your vlogging, Anu?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. And anyway, friends, we will see a lot of places. So friends, it's a time to go for sightseeing. നമുക്ക് sightseeing പോകേണ്ട സമയമായിട്ടുണ്ട്. The packing is almost done and is everything ready, Anu? Yes. Have you completed your packing? Minu, shall we go?
I am ready.
You are ready? Okay, all are ready. What about Rizwana? Packing over?
Okay.
Okay, so let's go. So let's meet from outside. Now let's see whether Salim and family are ready or not. Salim? Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Are you all ready?
Yes.
What about children? Hi, Bonus. Are you ready? Amna? Ready?
Okay. Okay.
So shall we go?
Okay.
Okay, good. So friends, Salim and family is ready. Now let's see whether Riaz and family are ready or not. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Undimol, are you ready?
Yes.
Alisa, are you ready? Is the packing over, Undimol?
Yes.
Okay. So shall we go?
Yeah.
Okay. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പാക്കിംഗ് എല്ലാം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ഇവിടെ അടുത്ത് വല്ല റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റ് ഉണ്ടോ എന്ന് നോക്കിയും കൊണ്ട് നടക്കുകയാണ്. Now we are going to have a breakfast from a nearby restaurant, and after that we will be taking our car and proceed to our sightseeing areas. Vacating our room here at San Andreas, we are setting out for sightseeing.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ കൊടൈക്കനാലിലെ ഒരു മനോഹരമായ ഒരു വ്യൂ പോയിന്റിൽ എത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ പൈൻ മരങ്ങൾക്കിടയിൽ നിൽക്കുന്ന ഈ വ്യൂ പോയിന്റ് അടിപൊളിയാണ്. ഇവിടെ യു ക്യാൻ സീ വൺ ടവർ ബിഹൈൻഡ് മീ. ഇഫ് യു സ്റ്റാൻഡ് ഓൺ ദാറ്റ് ടവർ you can see the beautiful view where the fog and mountain meet each other.
I'm fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing.
There was no fog when we reached here. But all in a sudden, fog has begun to spread over here.
Got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Salim is trying to take a group photo of our Kutti Patalam.
Wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
The children seem to be scared of monkeys.
You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love.
Now we are moving on to the Pine Valley, our next destination.
King is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
The drive through this foggy road is really an awesome experience.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every.
Friends, now we are at one of the most important tourist attractions in Kodaikanal, the Pine Valley, the Pine Forest.
Scenes in many films were shot here in this pine forest. The enchanting beauty of this densely grown pine forest makes a perfect background for photography. Corona has greatly affected the business of the street vendors here.
So friends, now we have seen the Pine Valley, Pine Forest, which is one of the most important tourist attractions in Kodaikanal. It was really amazing, and it was almost foggy, and the scene was really amazing. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പൈൻ വാലി കണ്ടതിന് ശേഷം ഇനി നമുക്ക് തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള മറ്റൊരു ലൊക്കേഷനായ ഗുന കേവ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു സ്ഥലത്തേക്ക് പോവാം.
Now we are visiting the Guna Caves, which was formerly known as Devil's Kitchen. Iron railings have been installed here to prevent visitors from entering this dangerous cave. Guna Caves got its name after the famous Tamil film Guna was shot here. Let's climb the tower at the viewpoint. The roots of the trees spread over this slope is the main attraction of this place. A gang of Malayali youths are enjoying their trip here, singing and dancing. Our next destination is Pillar Rocks. The Green Valley viewpoint is absolutely covered in fog. Nothing can be seen.
Good morning, friends. This is our third day at Kodaikanal. Actually, we reached here day before yesterday by 6:30 p.m. So there was no chance of going for sightseeing, and the children were almost tired, and we took a room here in San Andreas residency at Kodaikanal. And yesterday we have covered almost all the major tourist attractions in Kodaikanal. And in order to, actually we were planning to go back home yesterday itself, but in order to avoid the night drive, we have decided to stay one more night here. And today morning we have to go for the boat ride in the lake at Kodaikanal, and after that we will be directly going back home. And this is the view from my room, the morning view from my room. Today is also almost a foggy day as yesterday. Friends, I think this is the best time to visit Kodaikanal because the places are almost foggy. If the fog remains always, we may not be able to see the beautiful views in many places. But here the advantage is that fog comes and goes, so that we can enjoy the places both with the fog and without fog. Minuti, what are you doing? You're cleaning the glass? Okay, that's good. Do you know what is this on the glass?
I don't know.
You don't know? This one? What are you cleaning? It is condensation on the glass. Condensation. What's it?
Condensation.
Very good. Today we have brought the breakfast parcel to the room, and after breakfast we will be leaving for boat ride. Mina, how is the roast? Good? Friends, we have reached the famous lake at Kodaikanal. So let me ask my friends about today's plan. Salim sir, what's our plan?
Okay, sir. Today morning we are going for boating, and after
Okay.
that returning to home.
Okay. So please, it's better not to waste our time. The people are just started coming. So let's try to get into some boats and have a ride in the lake, and let's go back home.
Cycling and horse ride around the lake are some of the best things to do in Kodaikanal. Bicycles and horses are available for rent near the lake. Salim is taking tickets for the boat ride.
Friends, now me and my family are in a rowing boat in the lake at Kodaikanal. It's very interesting, and this area is also almost foggy. നല്ല കോടമഞ്ഞ് ഇവിടെ ലേക്കിൻ്റെ അവിടെയുണ്ട്. രാവിലെ തന്നെ ഞങ്ങളൊരു ഏകദേശം 9:30 മണിയായിട്ടുണ്ട്. രാവിലെ ഈ ബോട്ട് റൈഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നാട്ടിലേക്ക് നേരെ തിരിക്കാനാണ് പരിപാടി. നമ്മുടെ സലീം മാഷും റിയാസ് മാഷും പുറകിൽ ബോട്ടിൽ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. ഏതായിരുന്നാലും കോടമഞ്ഞിനോടൊപ്പം ഒരു ചെറിയ ചാറ്റൽ മഴയും കൂടെ ആയപ്പോൾ ഈ ബോട്ട് റൈഡിനൊക്കെ വല്ലാത്തൊരു അനുഭൂതി തോന്നുന്നു. മിനുട്ടി, ഹൗ ഈസ് ദ ബോട്ട് റൈഡ്? Very nice. Okay. What would Anu?
Very interesting.
Very interesting. Okay.
It is a man-made lake built in 1863.
clouds along with the fog, it is slightly drizzling. It's really an amazing and interesting ride in this pedal boat in the lake at Kodaikanal. അപ്പോൾ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമ്മുടെ കൊടൈക്കനാൽ യാത്ര ഇന്നത്തെ ലേക്കിലെ ബോട്ട് സവാരിയിലൂടെ അവസാനിക്കുകയാണ്. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടായിരുന്നു മക്കളെ ടൂറ്? ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. സോ ഈ ടൂർ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിച്ചതായി പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നു. ബൈ ടു കൊടൈക്കനാൽ.